How much should you actually spend on brake pads for your BMW 335i? It's tricky because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. You've got to dig a little deeper to avoid wasting money on something that won't keep you safe. Product number 1, Detroit Axle Front Brake Pads. First up, we have the Detroit Axle Front Brake Pads. Priced at $51.31, these pads caught my attention because of their solid 4.6-star rating from over 1,600 reviews. If you're looking for long-lasting performance and a quiet ride, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These premium ceramic brake pads are designed to last longer than generic metallic options, which is crucial if you drive your BMW regularly. They undergo rigorous testing for impact and wear, so you can trust they'll give you the stopping power you need. Plus, this kit comes with brake cleaner and fluid, making it a complete package ready for installation. Now, some people complained about the fitment being tricky for specific models. Here's the thing though, if you double-check the fitment chart, you can avoid any hassle. This is perfect for you if you want reliable stopping power without breaking the bank. Skip this if you have a unique model that's not listed. Now, if the price of the Detroit axle pads raised a flag for you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for your budget. Product number 2, Detroit Axle Front Brake Kit. Next up is the Detroit Axle Front Brake Kit, priced slightly lower at $48.25. This kit includes not just the brake pads but also a bottle of brake fluid and cleaner. I was really impressed by its robust specs and the 4.6-star rating from 1,200 reviews. Why is this important for you? It's designed for several BMW models, making it a versatile choice. The premium ceramic brake pads means smoother stops without the annoying squeal you might expect from cheaper pads. This kit has everything you need for a full front brake job, and the detailed instructions make installation straightforward. However, a few users mentioned that the included fluid was not enough for a complete brake job. But honestly, it's easy to grab an extra bottle if you need more. This is perfect for DIYers looking for an all-in-one solution. Skip this one if you prefer to buy components separately. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you're looking for something more compact, the next product might catch your eye. Product number 3. Detroit Axle Front Brake Pads for 128i to 335i. Now let's talk about the Detroit Axle Front Brake Pads specifically for 128i to 335i, priced at an incredibly affordable $36.35. With a 4.6-star rating from over 2,200 reviews, it's a favorite among many BMW owners. What stands out here? They also exceed OEM specifications, ensuring you get the fit and finish needed for reliable braking. Plus, they're tested for durability so you know they won't wear out quickly. However, some reviews pointed out that they might not fit perfectly on older models. But here's the thing, if your car fits the listed models, you're golden. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and cost-effective set of pads. Skip this one if you have an older model and are unsure of the fit. Now, if you need something for the rear, the next product is just what you're looking for. Product number 4, Detroit Axle Rear Brake Pads. Moving on, we have the Detroit Axle Rear Brake Pads priced at $42.56. This set has a solid 4.5-star rating from 766 reviews, which is pretty good for rear pads. What's great about these pads, they're also made from ceramic, ensuring a quiet operation and longer life compared to standard options. This is crucial, especially for rear pads, which can often be overlooked. Plus, they come with a brake cleaner and fluid, so you're set for a complete job. Now, some users did mention that installing them could be a bit tricky without prior experience. But honestly, if you've installed pads before, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable rear pad option. Skip this if you're a complete novice and may need professional help. And if you want the ultimate setup, the last product is definitely worth checking out. Product number 5, Detroit Axle Complete Brake Kit. Finally, let's look at the Detroit Axle Complete Brake Kit, which includes drilled and slotted rotors, priced at $285.01. With a 4.5-star rating from 654 reviews, this is for those who want a high-performance setup. Why consider this? This complete kit offers both front and rear pads along with rotors that are built to exceed OEM specifications. Plus, it comes with a 10-year warranty, which is a nice peace of mind. However, the price tag is definitely on the higher side. But here's the thing, if you're serious about performance and want the best for your BMW, this kit is worth every penny. This is perfect for you if you want a complete upgrade. Skip this if you're just looking for basic replacements and don't need the extra performance features. To wrap it up, we've covered a range of options from the budget-friendly Detroit axle front brake pads to the high-performance complete brake kit. Whether you're looking for reliability, cost-effectiveness, or performance, there's something for every BMW 335i owner here. Make sure to choose based on your specific needs.